stage, and like I'm still able to recall what used to happen.
So I thought always that working from home is less of a work than, what you do it in the office.
I guess it depends upon the process in what kind of process
A
you are
work.
working.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Hmm.
that I've already come.
Hmm.
I guess 13 to 14 seasons have
Okay.
come. Yeah,
And in one
yeah,
season,
yeah,
but
yeah. So,
you can eat garma garam and you can really relish
oh
it.
yes, yes.
That's
You
the
have correctly
difference.
up for it. Yeah, yeah.
Because you are fluent now. You are fluent. You don't need any guidance, or you are good.
Hi.
Hi, good evening, Faraz.
Good evening, Radhika. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you so much. So, where are you? Still in Delhi?
I'm in Greater Noida.
Yes, I know that. That's what. But I thought that you were wearing something as if blazer or something. As if it is cool.
Okay, you thought that I was outside.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, so it's a t-shirt. So
Okay.
this you see, it is actually a backrest.
Okay. Okay.
Backrest comforter. So I keep it on my
Okay.
bed. So
Okay. So
considering the
yes.
fact that I'm working from home, so it is very relaxing. It is very
Yes.
comfortable,
Okay.
and yeah.
So
So
you can just put it around your neck and it gives you that comfort. And when you are working on your computer, how is
it
it?
is for the backrest.
It is
So
okay. Backrest
yeah,
is
it
there.
is
I
like a
thought that's
couch.
something
It is
around
like
your
a
neck or something.
yeah. So it's a
Okay.
complete couch, yeah, proper couch, and it has that handrest as well.
Okay.
Yeah,
Great.
very comfortable. Yeah,
Okay.
I
And from
kept
where do
searching
you
for
get
it
it?
for a long
Okay.
online. I had ordered it online on
Okay.
Amazon.
Amazon. Okay. Any
Yeah.
company which is making this product? There's no
Need to
specific.
check. I'm not able to recall the name, but yeah, I'll
Okay.
check it.
Doesn't matter. I'll also look up. I thought that could be IKEA because IKEA has come to India and they have similar
IKEA,
products.
yeah. IKEA is also
Yes.
good. Yeah, like this one is not IKEA, but yeah, IKEA is also good. Yeah.
Yes, because they also have the products which are very comfortable and good for pockets also.
Yeah, I guess this was for around 23 to 2400, but
Okay.
it is worth. Yeah, it
It
is
is
worth.
worth it. Very
Yeah,
good. Very nice. Okay. So how have you been?
I have been good. You tell.
Yeah, I'm also fine, enjoying myself, talking to people and getting to know, and it was good. The journey
Yeah,
has been good. So
thankfully
say,
the pandemic thing has gone down. Like things are coming
yes,
back to normal. Thankfully,
yes. Let's hope that the third wave is not as bad as the second
or it
wave.
stays like this.
Yes, and it doesn't come or it doesn't come into picture at all. Let's hope
Yeah.
so. Yes. So, Faraz, what do you have to say about the board exams being cancelled, and what is your opinion about this?
I would say, I guess for some people it'll be good, and for so it is actually a mixed reaction. What I have been reading, some students are good, and some aren't feeling good.
Hmm.
So they have mixed reactions. If I talk about myself, of course, I've been through that stage, and like I'm still able to recall what used to happen. So our center, like we used to travel so far, and
Hmm.
to give our board exams, and I'm still able to recall that we used to get that kind of pressure, and right now, I guess if it can happen online, I don't know. But it like I guess it won't suffice either. I believe that the exams wouldn't happen online because
No, they cannot.
board exams
They
are
cannot. Yes.
board exams are something they have to have in a center so that of
Yes.
course cheating and all won't happen, and of course
Hmm.
this is actually a very big thing. So I guess they have cancelled it, it is for a good reason to refrain everyone going out, but
Hmm.
still people are going out. So I get this is one thing. This will happen for a day, or like whatever exams. I guess they can what they can do. They can maximize the intervals, like the gaps within between the exams, so the
Yes, we
frequency
can
will
do
be
that.
less.
Hmm.
Yeah, I guess this can be done. Like instead of canceling the board
The
exams,
whole,
what?
yes.
Yeah, so that will be better. I guess this only thing what I can think right now. I
Hmm.
guess yeah,
Because I always feel that once, if a student has worked so hard, there should be some platform where they can showcase whatever they have done, whatever the efforts they have put in. And to cancel the exam is not giving justice to students as well as to the parents also who have really grilled themselves for this exam, and
yeah,
even for their future admissions. If they are not judged on their numbers, if they are judged on their numbers, what they got it in their prelims or in 10th or 11th, it is not right. So for
and
their
it is
future,
actually yeah. So like there is one more thing as well. Like the board exams have been cancelled, and apart from that, there are things which are which are ongoing, which are happening. So if those things can happen, so this
why
is
not
one
this
thing. So
exams?
why not
Yes.
these exams? And these are like this hold a great value in our lives.
Yes.
Yeah, and
Yes.
like wherever we go, everyone would ask, starting from the interviews, marriage, like everyone would ask for your high school or
Hmm.
12th class certificates. You have to
Yes.
have these two important documents. So
Hmm.
these
Hmm.
documents hold great value in our lives.
Absolutely. Even in TCS, companies like TCS and other big companies, they always ask for the scores right from their 12th. So
Yeah,
this would be again, okay, fine. They'll honor these marks, whichever, whatever they get. But then it is not giving proper justice to the students. That is what I feel.
yeah. I also share the same feeling. Yeah, I
Mm,
guess
yes.
the government have to figure out a way to let the students give the exams. I
Yes.
guess it
And
shouldn't be
now they
cancelled.
have yes, they have cancelled it, but the other competitive exams, they are still going to hold it. Because for other admissions, like to medical or engineering or say law, anywhere, they'll have to appear for the competitive exams and they'll have to give those exams to clear those exams and get the admissions. So I don't know how is it going to be fruitful, or I don't know.
Because
I'm really
anyhow they'll be
curious.
opening the lockdown soon. So
Yes. Yes.
so eventually that will happen. So why
Yes,
not,
everyone. Yes.
and this thing won't consume a lot of time.
Hmm.
Like 5 or 6 exams maybe will happen, and
Yes.
they can segregate it in a way that it won't hamper the students time, and as well as the faculty time too.
Yes. And either they could have done it is that at least one dose of vaccination should have been given to the students, all students, and then
Yeah,
they could have gone for the exams. That also could have
yeah,
been
and
possible.
this can be done easily. I
Hmm.
don't know
Hmm.
why they aren't allowed, but
Yes.
yeah,
Yes, we don't know, but
they must
only
have different
think.
plans or yeah.
Yes. Yes. And tell me that if any movie you have seen and which you would like to just comment on that.
Recently, not any movie that I've watched recently, but I have started this series, which is very famous series, Friends.
Okay.
So yeah,
I've heard
and
about it, but I've never seen.
it is really good. There are so many seasons that have already come. I
Okay.
guess 13 to 14 seasons have
Okay.
come. Yeah,
And in one season, how many episodes are
beautiful.
there?
Uh, 18 to 20 episodes.
Okay.
Yeah, very good series. It is all about four friends. This series revolve around them, and The genre is comedy. So they live in the same apartment and they like whatever they do, they share everything. It is really good.
Okay.
Like once you start watching it, you'll be hooked to it. It is
Okay.
that good. Yeah,
Okay. So, in one go, how many episodes do you watch?
at least 4 to 5 episodes in one go. Especially
And
on weekends, I make sure that I watch
okay.
it. But right now, I'm watching it on a daily basis. A couple of
Okay.
episodes, I'm watching it
Okay.
on a daily basis. Like once I log out, the thing which I do like before hitting the bed, it is to watch Friends.
Okay, great. So, how long you still will have to work from home?
I don't know, but I hope that the lockdown and everything should stay at least till December. You know
Okay.
why? Why? Because I've become so accustomed to it, and yeah, and going to the office again. Of course, eventually we all have to go to the office, but
Hmm.
yeah. So date hasn't been finalized yet, but yeah, I guess soon.
So, if you have to say that, how many hours actually you put in for your work hours? How many working hours you put in?
Nine
Actually,
hours.
no, 9 hours you keep your system on and you are near your system.
No,
But how
we keep working and like working from home, we end up working more. We end
more?
up giving 10 to 11 hours at least.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I thought always that working from home is less of a work than what you do it in the office.
I guess it depends upon the process in what kind of process
A
you are
work.
working.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Like our process require us to, sit at the system or our desk when we are in the office all
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
time.
Hmm. Okay. Because you are in this insurance and health sector, so that is why you really have
We
to work
have
hard.
that. Yeah, and but having said that, we have that kind of flexibility that we can get up from our system anytime.
Okay.
So it is not that we have to sit like and
You have to do whatever has been assigned to you. You have to finish in this much of time, but you don't need to be in front of the computer every all the time.
all the time. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
right.
Great.
Like when we are on calls, then of course we have to take
Then
calls.
of course you have to
So
take it.
yeah, but
Yes.
still we have like kind of flexibility there, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it is good. Yeah, it is fine.
Okay.
Still,
Because they
I
see
prefer.
to work from home. Why?
Yeah.
Any three reasons why you want that it should continue till December at least? Three things, three positive things which you think are very important for staying at home and working from home.
So the convenience factor is there. It is so convenient. I don't have to get ready. There are so many reasons. I can do my pending work. I
Hmm.
and I don't have to get ready, and I can save a lot of time, which
Yes.
I was investing in commuting at least 2 to 3 hours, both
Okay.
sides. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that is one of the major factors. Apart from
Yes.
that, yeah, like we can do our work at our leisure. So
Okay. I thought that home cooked food is what is more tempting than anything else.
home cooked food. So I carry food home to the
From
office. Yeah,
but
yeah. So,
you can eat garma garam and you can really relish
oh
it.
yes, yes.
That's
You
the
have correctly
difference.
up
One,
for it. Yeah, yeah.
because you pack it and take it to your office, it's not that as fresh
And then
as
we'll warm it
whatever
up in
canteen.
like in an oven. So yeah,
It
it does
doesn't.
make a difference. Yeah.
Okay, good. So I thought so that these two three things can be of otherwise you can take a nap also in the afternoon if you want or you cannot.
So my shift starts in the evening, and so I wake up late. But right now I'm working from home, so yeah, it is fine. Yeah, still we have that flexibility. Like if I'm feeling very sleepy, I can lie down, and yeah, still I can do that, which I won't be able to do that in the office.
Yes, that
Like
is what.
when we are in the office, at times you feel like when the work pressure is much and when we are really, feeling sleepy because we do night shifts, evening shifts. So then we think, man, I need a bed. Like I have to hit the bed, but I cannot. So yeah,
So since how many years you have been working in the night shift or evening shift?
since starting, like it's been almost 5 or 6 years.
Okay. So then you must be facing that sleep disorder sort of a thing when where you cannot sleep in the night, and you have to complete your sleep in the daytime. So do you think that has hindered in any way of your normal life?
It has. It has really hindered it. Like what I say that on my weekends too, I follow the same routine.
Okay.
Thankfully, the shifts have been like now the shift is fixed, and I get fixed Saturday, Sunday off. So that is actually a boon, and it
Hmm.
is fine. You get ample amount of time in the first half, so it is
Hmm.
fine. It is pretty fine. Now I've become accustomed to it, and
Hmm.
now I have accommodated. So really delve into. So it is fine actually.
Okay. Great. So how many videos you have already uploaded on your YouTube?
I guess right now it is 30 to 40 videos maybe. Yeah.
Okay. And do you add anything to it? Do you add any of your lectures or any of your content in it?
Yeah, I do. So what is happening like in the past month, for the past 1 month, I've not been able to upload any. Why? Because I've been busy and I had resigned from my previous job as well. So again,
Okay.
I have rejoined the same organization. It's not been getting much time.
Okay.
Uh, so
But
like
it was
I
good
really
that
want.
at least you could rejoin it. But otherwise, they would have said, "Sorry, if you've gone, means gone."
So I had to give the interview again. So I had served the notice period. So I took that a couple of months, a
Rest.
gap. Yeah. And in those 2 months as well, I did not rest at all. I did not take a rest.
Hmm.
I just kept on working, utilizing my time and doing all those pending work.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
it didn't feel like that there was a gap, anything. So yeah,
Good. Good. But it's good that you went back again and you are in the same organization.
yeah.
Good. So great, Faraz. It was nice talking to you again. And take care and see you soon.
See you soon. Yeah. And what is your quick feedback? I always ask.
It's You are fluent now. You are fluent. You don't need any guidance, or you are good.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Take care. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye.